So we're standing here on the banks of the Kokosing River in Millwood, and this is one of our favorite places to go. It's just a little Sunday impromptu adventure, and gotta love it, huh?
Yeah.
Got Brendan. Over there is Megan and Riley. Riley the adventure dog. She's part lab, part cotton candy monster. And there's Will down there, of course, getting dirty.
Heads up.
So we're gonna go from here to Waterfall. So here we are at the Honey Run Waterfall, Millwood, Ohio. Pretty close to my house, and it's a wonderful place for a day trip.
I like Honey Run Waterfall because when we end our tubing trip down the river, we gotta come here, right to this beautiful waterfall.
And I like coming here because I like running on the rocks.
Getting out in the woods like this and seeing waterfalls and rivers and trees and rocks is just good for the soul. And it's good to recharge your batteries on a day like this. So do it. Go outside and recharge your batteries.